How to follow someone in Edits and Instagram app. If you have been using the Edits application and wondering on how to follow someone on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Edits application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to follow someone, tap onto the Reels section right here at the bottom. Select it. Now from here, simply locate the person that you want to follow, and after that, simply tap onto the profile icon of that person. Just right here, tap on it. After that, you will see the ID of that person on the Instagram, and simply tap on to follow right here to follow it. Just like this. And now you can see I am now following. And that's it. This is how you can follow someone in the Edits and Instagram app. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.